Samsung's Galaxy S23 series is slated to arrive early next year, and one of the lineup models just has passed through 3C certification in China. The corresponding model number SMS9180 denotes the highest tier Galaxy S23 Ultra model. In the certification, the device is listed to support a maximum of 25-watt charging. This is lower than the usual Galaxy S22 Ultra's 45-watt charger support, but if we recall, the S22 Ultra's 45-watt charging didn't make a significant dent in charging times compared to the 25-watt charging of the Galaxy S21 Ultra. Other testing found that the S22 Ultra only achieved 45-watt charging for a very short period of time, so perhaps Samsung has figured out how to sustain 25-watt charging for longer through the charging cycle of the battery, which would still improve charging speeds or even close the gap between the 45-watt charging figures for the 22 Ultra. Another possibility is that 25-watt charging is limited to some variants of the S23 Ultra, including, in the case, the Chinese variant. The S23 Ultra is rumored to have a similar design and dimension as the S22 Ultra. The camera is expected to see a 200 megapixel sensor update. Meanwhile, we expect to see the Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 powering the flagship. Recent reports suggested that Samsung will use Qualcomm chips on all its new lineups variants. Though there's a possibility that some units would be equipped with the Samsung Exynos chipsets.